Hello everyone, my name is Matt with SuperSprings International, and today we're installing Coil SumoSprings on this 2022 GMC Acadia. Coil SumoSprings are a great suspension upgrade for all coil sprung vehicles. They are perfect for reducing sway, sag, and road vibrations. Before you installing Coil SumoSprings, it's important that you print out our gap measurement tool, which you can find on our website, and use to measure the exact spacing in between the coils. This is important because every vehicle's coil gaps are different. And with that, we'll hop right in. All right, so when you open your box, come with instruction manual, some stickers, and your Coil SumoSprings. You'll see today we're installing the CSS 1145. And while it is optional, it is sometimes helpful to have a rag and some soapy water to help with the installation. Before we get into the installation, I'm going to show you to take your gap measurements. Before we do that, however, it's important to make sure that the vehicle is not jacked up in the air, it is unloaded of any weight, and is sitting on a flat, level surface. So here we have our front coils. We'll take our cutouts. See that this is too small. Take our other one here and see that fits perfectly. So the CSS 1145 is what we'll go with. All right, the vehicle is now jacked up. This has expanded the spacing in between the coils. First, we'll start off by spraying it with some soapy water. And when you install it, you want to make sure that the deeper grooves are facing down. And you want to have it in the middle of the coils, just like that. Here we are at the rear of the vehicle. The vehicle's been jacked up. We're gonna go ahead and do it on just like last time. Remember, deeper grooves facing down. Remember to place it about middle of the coil, just like that. All right, so there you have it, both front and rear Coil SumoSprings installed. As you can see, it only took me a couple minutes. Coil SumoSprings are a great suspension upgrade for any coil sprung vehicle. You can find them on our website in the description down below. As always, journey better.